Hello and welcome back to another update on the Farragut Loop in Fremo N. So as you can see here on this quick view, we do have all of the modules built and on legs. We ran into a little bit of difficulty on this little piece right here. It ended up being bigger than I had anticipated, so I had to custom build the parts and made everything fit, and it all is nice and snug and nothing is stretched or tweaked. So we're going to do a little bit of a walk around on this and then show you the wiring for this module. I've got the bus wired and it's hanging around my neck right now, and we'll lay it out here in just a second. So this heads back towards the city of Athol, and as we come down this straightaway modules here, we'll have two passing sidings. The far side will be a passenger siding and the near side will be a freight siding with a couple freight depots and some other stuff. This first switch comes off and heads to the industrial area of Farragut. And so this is the part we've seen already and been working on. And here's all of our 45s, and all the 45s will be Fremo N compliant. They'll have 3 inches of straight on each end and then a 24-inch radius curve. So I've got 5 of those built, and in actuality I built a 6th one because I like to build in pairs. And that 6th one will probably get scenic to go with Manitou Junction, where all of these will get scenic and look the same for Farragut. But again, they can be used in various locations around wherever we need to use them if it's not in a loop formation. So here we are back on the other end of the straightaway. On this end we'll have 2 identical switches to get to the other ends of the passing sidings. So let's get these switches out of the way so I don't damage them here. Here's the basswood that'll go for the road bed for underneath the switches. So this is a little bit of a wiring mess, but it'll make sense. So we start down on this end and we've got our power poles that'll go to the next module. We've got a terminal block, and in the middle here we have 2 wires set off to go towards there, towards the junction. These two wires right here are going to connect to the back end of the auto reverser, and these 2 will connect to the front end of the auto reverser. These 2 yellow wires will connect into the power reducer to run my switch machines, and this will connect into the other end of the power reducer to run my switch machines. And we come out this end, and here are the wires for the next module. So we've got 6 wires running through, 2 track bus, 2 accessory bus, and 2 for my switching bus that I'll have on these modules. So here is the loop. Here's sort of an overview of everything. It's coming along nicely and I am really enjoying it. So thanks for watching.